Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I'm really excited because today I have an update for my Pan Those polishes. I like to pan nail polish. My goal this year is to try and use as many up as I can. I would really love to use a lot of my older nail polishes this year so that I can bring in a few other shades and colors and new formulas. And I just really want to finish a few older nail polishes before I bring anything new in. So last year I was able to finish 3 nail polishes, which was amazing. So I'm really hoping to get good progress on my nail polishes this year. In January, I started off with these 2 nail polishes. This one was brand new by Essie and is in Tunnel Taupe. And this one here is older. This one here is probably about 5 years old at this point, and it is Red Rock. Actually, it could be like 6 years old. It's fairly old. However, this one here I have been working on along with this one, and they were both for usage goals. What I decided for my Pan Those polishes is I'm only going to make an update video when there is an update. I just don't see a point in coming on here every single month and going, okay, so I have 3 uses on this, 2 uses on this, and I don't have any progress. So we're going to continue. I just don't really see a point in that. So whenever there's an update, I will film a video and then I will start my next project / rotation. With that being said, I did hit my goal on one of these polishes, and this was the polish here that I hit my goal on. So I did use this 6 times between January and February. It is currently February 27th, so I did start this in January. I just finished it on the 26th of February. I ended up using this 6 times between January and February 26th, and then I did end up using this 2 times. This is in here for 12 uses, so I only have 10 more to go. However, I'm really excited to finally get to use this. I just did accent nails with this just to get a little bit of usage, but my main focus was to use Red Rock. So that being said, we're finally going to rotate this one out. This one will stay in for 10 more uses, and I really want to use this for my nails. Like I said, I only did an accent nail, so I wasn't able to fully do a manicure or pedicure with this. So I'm really excited to use this color, but I put all of my nail polishes or nail care items in my Tiny Decisions app. So let's randomize a new shade to work on. I'm so excited. I have them all in my phone here, so I'll just click reset and go. No way. Okay. If you're returning, you know this is my absolute favorite nail polish ever. But if you're new here, it chose Mauve Over, which I am obsessed with. I love this color. I love it so much. So this is the color here. It goes with so many outfits. It's good for every day. I love how it goes with any other nail polish. These two are gonna look amazing together. I can't wait. This is going to be such an amazing duo. So now we're going to generate a usage goal, and I do a usage goal from 1 through 12. This way, if I only use the nail polish once a month, at least I'm using it once a month for a whole year. That's kind of how I see it. It'll get 12 uses. I also love how this one has a shine to it, and this one's matte. They're going to go together so well. So let's see what the usage goal for the Mauve Over shade will be. I'm not ready to finish this yet, so it's going to be a usage goal. 1 through 12 and randomize. 7 uses. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling actually really good about this next rotation. So I have 10 more uses on this, and then I have 7 uses for this, and I have a feeling it is going to go really well. I don't think there's gonna be an update for probably another 2 months because these 2 formulas are actually really good. This one, the Red Rock one, did chip quite a bit, so I did end up painting my nails a little bit quicker, but I have a feeling that I am going to want to do a pedicure. I know I'm going to want to do accent nails. I know I'm going to want to try these 2 together, and I know that because these 2 are my focus nail polishes, I'm actually going to want to paint my nails. I didn't paint my nails for a good week or 2 in February just because I was supposed to have photos taken, but I didn't really want red, and then I wasn't sure because I never wore this alone, how this would look on my nails, and I just wanted like a natural look. So I didn't paint my nails for about a week in February. And February is a shorter month as well. So maybe March and April will be really good months and I'll be able to like hit my goals on these. But honestly, I feel like I'm in absolutely no rush with this. I'm going to be interested though in seeing within 7 uses if I'm able to make a new mark on the bottle. I currently have 2 marks at the moment, so I'm really curious to see if I'm going to be able to make a 3rd mark. I would love to make a 3rd mark, but I don't know which 7 uses. So I'm getting halfway through. I don't know how many times I've dropped that bottle of nail polish and it's getting on my nerves, but I'm really excited. I'm so sad because I am getting through my favorite shade, but when I finish this, I have a feeling I would go out and buy the same one or a really similar one. So brief recap, we're gonna roll out Red Rock, which I'm excited about. We're gonna keep the Tunnel Taupe in here and work on Mauve Over. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you are currently working on a nail polish. I would love to know. I truly love this project because it allows me to actually use my nail polishes and finish them. In the past, I would go get my nails done like every 2 weeks, maybe every 3 weeks. And now I just love reaching for my own nail polishes. It saves me a lot of money. It's something fun that I can do at home while I'm watching TV. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you plan on finishing a nail polish and if you have like a really big nail polish collection and you want to start using your nail polishes, just grab one randomly and focus on that for the month. It's really, really fun. So I will see you all in the next update, hopefully soon, but probably in about 2 months. So bye.